Hello creative Tartanites and welcome to day 16 of 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly Journaling. So today's prompt is, what creative project are you most proud of this year? Now for me, I found this initially difficult because I've done many paintings and many drawings. Each as the time went past, I thought it was the best one, and then the next one was the best one. And so it's been really very difficult to actually pinpoint the one project. And then it occurred to me that a project doesn't necessarily have to be something I've painted or drawn. And for me, I think the project that I'm most proud of this year is the Creative Tartanite Tribe, my Facebook group. We have been doing challenges every month now for a couple of months, and I think my favourite is this one because so far the people who have been participating in the photographs that I've seen, everybody has put in so much time, and they're participating in every single day that I've put to them, and they've been doing an amazing job. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Now, if this sounds like a lot of fun and you would like to join the Creative Tartanite Tribe, then I will leave links in the description below and you can check out and you can join and hang out with us and join in the fun. You don't have to join the Creative Tartanites to be part of this project. Anyhow, I'm rambling again. So let's get started with the project. I am going to show you how to make this paperclip. Now, this paperclip goes on and obviously the paperclip is hidden. Truth be told, this is the second time I have attempted to do this video, and the first time round I made this one, but there was a problem with the footage, so I have to refilm. And so I've chosen these two bits of card here to do the paperclip. It's very simple. I can keep it in real time. The video is not going to be particularly long. Let me tell you how to do it. So you're going to require two bits of card and one paperclip. So I've got these two bits and I am going to put this on the inside. So I'm going to put the long part of the paperclip on the inside. And the reason I'm doing that is because I think it will give a little bit more of a grip and less likelihood of the paperclip actually falling out from between the cardboard, or the card should I say. And I'm also going to use, let's just pop this out of the way and put it onto the paper here. The paper's here to protect my mat. I'm going to use the Fabri-Tac glue. You can use hot glue if you want, but I would use a strong adhesive if at all possible. So I'm going to stick the glue on the card, round the edges, also very much around about the paperclip, and then I'm going to stick the lid back on. Then I'm going to line up the card as best as I can, and I'm going to use this cloth here just to try and save my fingers. Because when you squeeze it, the chances are the glue will come out. And I really don't want to get Fabri-Tac glue all over my fingers. Now, as you can see, this is not quite stuck down. Don't think I've put enough Fabri-Tac glue in, so I'm just going to take my Fabri-Tac out again, and I'm going to prise that, whoops, I'm going to prise that open a little bit, and I'm going to stick my Fabri-Tac glue in there, and I'm going to squeeze it together. Now, as you can see, it has squeezed out the edge, but that's okay because I had the cloth. And that's it stuck down now. So there you go. That is well and truly stuck. That's not going anywhere. And there you have it. There is your paper clip. There's the bigger one. You can pop that on the side if you want to. Pop that one on there. So bring that back over here and we can stick it into our journal, like so. So there you have it. These are so simple, so quick to do. You are going to very easily make loads of them. They're very addictive, I do warn you, and you will be able to fancily paperclip anything you want into your journal, and hopefully you'll have an answer to which creative project you're most proud of this year. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate you all. Take care, everybody. Look after your mental well-being, because the chances are nobody else is going to. Be kind to yourself, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.